I heard in the news that someone killed people. What did you saw? I saw a train that is green hit it and ran away over there. Okay, let's get them.